Hello guys, my name is Essen and I am here on behalf of Petronics team, which provides a lot of services like real estate automation, similarly virtual assistant services, developing customer relationship management systems for different clients. So they have a motto of automating processes to save resources. So I'm here on behalf of Petronics and I will show you today a real estate CRM system which helps a lot of wholesalers who are working in US market or they're working in UK market. Basically a wholesaling process which most of the people in this industry follow is similar to this flow chart. Okay, it works like this. So I will explain to you this process and then how we can build this system into Podio. Okay, because Podio is a standard tool which is adopted by real estate industry worldwide for automating processes for converting leads, and it's a conversion system. So first we have to understand this picture which is looking on your screen right now. Once you will understand, then we will move towards Podio, because Podio is a tool which can help us in building the whole process and automating it so that there is lesser involvement by team, so that we can reduce manual effort in closing the deal, and there is more automatic process and we can track everything. Okay, so this is a lead conversion process for wholesalers. So it starts from a website like let me just give you an overview of different sources from where we are getting leads. Right now you can see these four things. These are not just limited to these four, but these are examples. Like we every real estate agent, every wholesaler may have a website. Okay, they may have a seller website, they may have a buyer website. Okay, for example, they are having a seller website. It means that they are collecting sellers on their website. Okay, so anyone arrives on their website and fills a form, and they can upload information about their property. They can say that this is the property which they have and they want to sell it. Okay, so they will fill their form here. So the basic point is that this form, once it is filled, it should go to the seller lead app. They basically they are interested in selling their property, so it means that this form, once it is filled, it should go, this lead should go to this to the CRM system so that you can start follow up with this. Okay, so this is the one source of getting a lead. Anyone interested in selling their property, they will fill a form on your website and this lead should come into your CRM system. Okay, second, you may buy a list of leads from different sources. Okay, you can buy a list from a tool like PropStream. There are different places from where you can get some qualified leads. Okay, once you get qualified leads, you want to do some cold calling with them. So there should be an option to do cold calling. You can use a dialer, you can use any other resource for this. So basically this cold calling is a good source of generating leads. Okay, so that can also be a second way of generating leads. Second is that you may have social media presence. You are uploading properties on social media, and people are contacting with you for selling their properties, so you are getting leads from social media. That can be a third source. Similarly, anyone contacts you, that can be a referral lead. They make a contact and you want to put that data into CRM. Okay, so these can be different types of sources from where they are not just limited to these four. There can be more than this one. So these can be four resources or more than that for generating leads. So once they are generated, they should be coming into CRM system. So here CRM work starts. Okay, so this is the first app. This can be the first module where all of your leads will arrive. Okay, according to Petronic system, they have built this process so that it's streamlined and it really works in converting leads. So right now here, after getting leads, they will be coming into this module or app. We can call this an app if we are working in Podio system. So this is the first place. So once they are coming into incoming leads app, we have to make sure their relevant source is saved into CRM. Okay, so here right now you are having all the leads from different sources. So here your lead manager will be assigned. They can be assigned by different ways. Like if you are having multiple lead managers, you can assign one lead to one lead manager and the second lead to the second lead manager, and vice versa. And we can do assignment like robin assignment. So there are different algorithms available in market to adopt for lead assignment. So if there is a single person who is running this whole wholesaling business, so that single person can be assigned as a lead manager for that lead. So that person will review this whole lead, and if he feels like this lead is qualified, he will move this to the seller lead app. Okay, for some resources we can have configurations that if they are coming into from these sources, they should directly go to the seller lead app by skipping this incoming lead module. Okay, so into the seller leads app, we are having all qualified leads. These are the leads which are basically interested in selling their properties, like they are in the available in market, and we want to contact them, and we want to make sure that these leads get converted by ourselves, by our business. So what we will do, we will start different campaigns with them. We can put these leads on campaigns, like we can put these leads on SMS, email, or voicemail campaigns, or we can send some letters or postcards by using different services. So once we will execute this campaign, some of them will start responding. Okay, once they respond back and they say that please don't contact with us, we are not interested in selling this property. So if at this point, it means that they will be moved into a different module, into a different list, which is a do not contact list. We are not going to contact them again. Okay, so if for example they say that we are not interested in selling this property right now, we may be interested in after 6 months, so we will contact with you at that time. So in that case, you can put that lead on auto follow up. There are different sequences, there are different campaigns which can be a lead can be placed on. So once you will put that lead on that process, so once they will feel like comfortable in selling their property, they will contact you back. Okay, so if they show immediately an interest in selling their property, you can set up an appointment with them. Okay, so there is an appointment module created into system, so you can set up appointments with your team. Okay, so here you can set up an appointment, and if they show interest in getting an offer from you for their property, then what you will do, there are different tools available in market, you may be aware of them, like DocuSign, Right Signature. These are the tools which are very much helpful in sending offers, generating some documents or PDF for signature and sending it to the third party, to the seller for signature. So we use similar tools for generating an offer and then sending it to relevant party. So if they feel like they are going to accept this offer, they are ready to accept this offer, what you will do, you will basically move this lead to the deals app. Okay, you will create a new deal for this offer or for this property. Okay, so if they don't show interested in getting an offer, what you can do, if, you can put them into uh, a follow-up process. Otherwise, if they say that this offer is not acceptable, what you can do, you can send them a revised offer. Okay, so revised offer can be sent to them, and this process will execute here at this place. Okay, if offer is accepted, then like the revised offer is accepted, you will move this lead to the deals app, so a new deal will be created for that. So your seller side is okay now, they have accepted offer, you have analyzed their property, and this you have sent them an offer, and this offer is accepted now. Now this is the time to move this deal to the deal showing app. Basically, this is the place where you can send a blast to all of the cash buyers which are listed into your system. Okay, you may be having a list of cash buyers, and you can select a list of cash buyers to whom you want to show this property, this seller property. So you will share it with them, and if they want to they are ready to buy this property, they will be having a web form. This web form can be shared with them in the form of an email or any other thing. So once they will fill this form, they will submit their offer for this property. This offer will come into deal showing app pack. Okay, so this deal showing app is containing all of the offers which are made by buyers which you sent to whom you sent this property. Okay, so you will get a list of all the cash buyers who are submitting their offers. And if you feel like there is an offer which is acceptable, there is an offer which is below the seller offer, and you feel like you are going to get a commission from them, then what you will do, you will accept that offer here into the deals app. Once it is accepted, so it means that seller side is also covered, buyer side is also covered. You will perform some calculations into the deals app, and this deal will be closed. Okay, so this is a typical process of closing a deal by wholesalers. Okay, so this is a process. So in the next video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a system which is having this flow, this which have implemented this flow chart, and it is having many more advanced features, not just these one. So I will show you all these things. So please watch my next video because it will help you a lot. And if you're interested in having this system developed for your company, just contact me. I am available. I am you can contact Petronics team, and they will guide you further. You can leave your comments into the comment section, and if you need custom system, you can even contact us. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.